Now we are good to go with the advanced level of cloud computing technology. Previously, we cover number of fundamental concepts and we get detailed information about cloud architecture. So, when we talk about the advanced level of concepts, so you all know that there are hundreds of services available inside the cloud computing technology. So, for better understanding, it's really necessary to categorize all those services. So it will be really easier for us to get detailed information about each domain or get detailed information about each service. Second thing, when we categorize these services, so it will be really easier for us to analyze how we are getting information and how we are learning skills about each and every service. So let's move forward and see what kind of advanced level options available when we talk about the cloud computing technology. So at level 1, we are going to cover compute services in detail. So the first option is virtual machine. Previously we created a virtual machine, but remember we just follow the default options. So we did not explore what inside we have options when we are implementing the virtual machine. So as we move forward, we will definitely explore what kind of advanced options available inside virtual machine and how we can customize the virtual machines, how we can select the virtual machine as per our own requirements. So when we move forward, we will definitely learn about the virtual machine skill sets, about the high availability, about availability sets, and about number of virtual disks which available inside the Microsoft Azure. So there are number of options available when we talk the compute services. We will definitely cover each and every component of this domain and learn all those skills which generally require for any kind of enterprise level cloud computing project. And when we done with the compute services, we will move with another advanced domain which is known as networking. So after dealing with the compute services, we are going to explore what kind of connectivity options available inside cloud computing technology. So we will get detailed information about virtual networks, how load balancers are working inside this technology, what kind of options available regarding the CDN, or what is network interfaces, how we gonna work with public IP addresses, and more important thing is that we are going to explore network security groups and how we can protect our inbound interfaces, how we can protect our outbound interfaces, how we are going to deal with all these traffic parameters when we are working with the cloud computing technology. And we will definitely explore web application firewall policies, which is a kind of advanced level of a firewall when we are going to protect our cloud infrastructure from any kind of intruder or hacker. In the second domain, we are going to cover lots of advanced level of concepts, but purely about the networking. So when we deal with the networking domain, then we will move forward and explore another tremendous domain which is known as storage. So when we talk about the cloud computing technology, so we will definitely require some kind of storage services where we can store our virtual machines, where we can take the backups, where we can put our archive files. So for that purpose, we are going to utilize the storage services inside Microsoft Azure. So we will go and create storage accounts, and we will definitely explore what kind of options available inside the storage accounts and what kind of storage capabilities Microsoft provide when we select the storage account, and we will definitely explore a number of redundancy options regarding the cloud computing storage options. So there are lots of things regarding the storage account, and we will explore each and every component step by step. So after the completion of three major domains or three major services, what next? Interesting. So it's time to explore the security options. So we know that when we talk about the cloud computing technology, so our whole infrastructure, compute, storage, network exist on internet, and on internet there are number of bad guys who wants to destroy our infrastructure, who wants to hack our infrastructure. So we need to make strategies, protection strategies against all those bad guys. So for that purpose we are going to explore the security options, how we can protect our infrastructure from those bad guys, and how we are going to securely communicate inside the cloud computing domains or outside Microsoft Azure when we are going to deal with our on-prem integration, or we are going to deal with other any type of connectivity options. So when we talk about the security, so at level 1 we are going to explore number of options regarding the user authentication, regarding the user authorization, and how we are going to assign the rights to our users which exist inside the Microsoft Azure. Second thing is that we will definitely make number of strategies regarding the outbound interfaces, regarding the inbound interfaces, and we will implement a number of strategies including network security groups, so firewall, and a number of encryption strategies when we talk about the security. So by utilizing a number of ways, or by using number of ways, we are going to protect our cloud infrastructure from any kind of hackers, malwares, intruders, or any kind of bad guys which are trying to attack on our infrastructure. So interesting. So after the completion of security, we have another major domain exist. So at number 5 we are going to explore backup and disaster recovery options. So when we talk about IT operations, when we talk about IT infrastructure, so you better know that there are chances that number of incident happens with virtual machines, with virtual infrastructure, with your applications, or with any kind of server operating system, or including your storage account. So if any kind of incident happens, it's your responsibility to make a proper strategy how to deal with all these kinds of disasters. So in the backup and disaster recovery domain, we are going to discuss what kind of options available regarding the backups, regarding the restores, regarding the replication, regarding the Azure security vaults, and how we are going to migrate our on-prem infrastructure with our Microsoft Azure, and how we are going to design the hybrid solutions for our infrastructure. So it's an other very important domain when you want to become a good cloud professional. So you must have to be learn all those strategies and all those skills which are really important for disaster recovery and backup strategies. So in this domain we will explore all those options including monitoring. So let's move and explore Microsoft Azure cloud computing technology.